Ready? Wash them. You gotta wash them over here. Go get some more. You only need like 1 or 2 at a time, dude. Ready? Wash them. Now you gotta find them. Where'd they go? Where'd they go?
Nice.
Good job.
Oh, that.
Let's get some more. Come find them. Hey, where are they? There's some in here. Where are they all?
Hey.
Oh, cool.
And
More in there?
yeah.
Go wash them. Oh.
Your color.
Garbage truck. Oh, let's find them.
Right.
You gotta throw them in there now? And then we'll put those ones on the Elmo?
Elmo. No.
Here. Let's take these ones and put them on Elmo now. You gotta dry them. What, you wanna keep doing them?
No.
Alright.
Okay.
Here you go. Here's some more. You gonna watch that fire truck or you just wanna hold it?
Oh.
Okay, now come get these ones. Put these ones on Elmo. Here, I'll do it. Look at this one. This one's pretty cool.
Ow.
Go throw those ones on Elmo. Whoa, look at this one.
No.
Look at these. Oh, another fire truck.
No. No.
What is that thing? That's pretty cool. You throw it on Elmo?
Ow.
Yeah, here you go. Here's some more.
Wait.
Alright, let's wash some more.
Oh.
Come on. There's room.